Hello! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm finally talking about Hello Bello. Some of you may have seen the posts that were on my Instagram and then I never talked about them again. So here we are. Let's discuss. Okay, for starters, I've only gotten one box and then I canceled. The end. Okay, no, let's get into this. I did only get one box. I had a discount code. I'm gonna start out by saying that with the 30% off, I feel like the box for what you get, especially with your first box because you get a few perks, is totally worth it. When I saw the price of my box without the discount, which was like $98 Canadian, that's not saving me any money, especially for like a 5-week period, which is how I prefer to go between buying diapers and wipes and that kind of thing. So not worth it. Let's discuss why. Diapers. For the amount of diapers you get with the size 5s, it wasn't worth it. This is number one. If you were getting newborn size 1s, when they're at an age where you're going through more and more diapers than you would at the stage he's at, probably would be worth it just because of the sheer amount of diapers you're going to need. I'll leave that up to you. This is all my personal opinion. But 140 diapers was all you get with the size 5s. It's cutting it pretty close, especially since we did get the nighttime diapers. I got 40 of those. I was aiming for enough to get us through the 5-week period. But 100 daytime diapers was not enough. I did end up having to spend more money going out and getting the normal Huggies that we get, which comparatively is 124 diapers for $40. The prints on the diapers, absolutely adorable. I can understand why these are a selling point to some people. They kind of were to us, especially since it's summertime right now, so it's hot, so a lot of the times he's just wearing a diaper or he's just wearing a t-shirt and a diaper. It was kind of cool to have the diaper be kind of part of his outfit, and it was fun to pick out the prints. I don't think that's worth spending the extra money as far as I'm concerned. The quality. I prefer Huggies. I am a Huggies girl. This is a personal opinion. I felt like the Huggies were way more absorbent. I felt like the Huggies fit more snug, and I am a sucker for that emergency poop band, which Huggies has on like all of their diapers. Not like he's having crazy blowouts all the time, but the kid's walking now, like he moves around a lot, and to have that extra bit of protection at the top was more than ideal. And we missed out on that with the Hello Bello diapers. The nighttime diapers compared to the Huggies overnights, I felt were again not near as absorbent. He woke up a lot earlier in the morning. A couple times he actually decided to take his own diaper off because he woke up so early with a full bum. They were okay. I don't appreciate the absorbency. Personal opinion. I guess it depends how much your kid pees. We've used a $17 box of 80 diapers from the PC brand once because we were in a pinch. They did not have Huggies anywhere. They were sold out. They were pretty much on par with those. There's nothing wrong with the PC diapers. They're just cheaper. In both price and quality, they do the job. They're good basic diapers. But you're also kind of getting what you pay for with those. Whereas with the Hello Bellos, which I feel like are fancy printed versions of the exact same diaper, I didn't want to spend that much money on them. Like if I wanted that quality of diaper, I would rather get the discount from PC. Thank you, PC. So I'm not a fan of the diapers, which is the biggest part of the bundle, unfortunately. Here's a thing on a positive note that I am a fan of. So with the first box, you get a free gift, and I don't know if this is with every box or every couple boxes, but you can get a discount on some of their other items. I ended up getting discounted a pack of the flushable wipes, the like family friendly wipes, but I did as my free gift get the apricot vanilla body lotion, which I need to say is absolutely amazing, and it was a very large size. You can only get it by adding it onto the subscription. Fuck. Bit of a piss off. Yeah, but I did love it. It was absolutely amazing. I have sensitive skin. I didn't react to it. Rory has sensitive skin. He didn't react to it. And it smells like delicious. And now let's talk about something that I disliked. these. I hate these. I hate these so much. So these are supposed to be the wipes, flushable wipes for all bums. So here's the thing. We use wipes for like literally everything. Like I keep a pack of wipes in pretty much every room of the house just to clean impromptu messes. You never know. We've got a kid, a baby, and us, and a dog. There's lots of things to use wipes for. I realize that these wipes are supposed to be just used for bathroom hygiene purposes, but these are so crappy, I don't think they would hold up with even the tiniest bit of crap on anybody's bum. I have not used these to clean Rory's bum. We've only used them for hands and face, bit of spots on the table or whatever, and they fall apart so quickly that it's ridiculous. I kind of feel like I wasted the $5 on, I mean, it was only $5, but they're so shitty, I don't even want to use them. They're so bad. I hate them so much. Is that part of the biodegradable thing? Because they're supposed to be flushable? I mean, good on them for trying to make eco-friendly, plant-based, whatever fucking wipes. But they don't work. Okay, and then I'm gonna finish this off by discussing a thing I did like, which doesn't really matter because I can only get them if I add them onto a subscription. The other wipes, these are the Hello Bello baby wipes in the blue package. These are the ones you get automatically with the subscription. I love these wipes. I'm in love with these wipes. These are the best wipes I have ever used for anything. Ever. They're thick, they're cushioned, they don't dry out quickly, they do such a good job, and they're great, and they don't irritate your skin, and they smell nice, and they're perfect, except I can't just buy the fucking wipes. I just want to buy the wipes. I just want to buy the wipes. I really wish I could have gone more in depth about this, and I had high hopes that I would be raving about how amazing these diapers and the subscription service was. But after my 30% off coupon, it came up to almost $100 for 5 weeks, which isn't enough diapers or wipes for 5 weeks. So I would still have to go all the way to Walmart and spend the money to supplement diapers and wipes. So I'd rather just not spend the $100, and I would rather just get regular old Huggies once a month. If you love Hello Bello and everything about all the things that I just trashed right now, no offense, this was just my personal feelings. This stuff may be perfectly priced for some of you, whereas it is not for me, and the quality of some of this stuff was just not what I prefer. If you do like Hello Bello, let me know why this works for you down in the description. Let's help each other with some different reviews. Add your review to my review. Please do that. I would love for that to be like the different end of the spectrum so that people could get a better idea of what they're paying for before fully committing. I do 100% think that if you can get a discount code for your first box, that the first box is absolutely worth it just to try. You might find some products that you fall in love with, because there is a chance that some of these things, I'm hoping for the wipes, end up being sold in stores. I think it's good to try new things. And I don't think you should form your opinion solely based on my opinion. Just take some of these things as a warning. Super fun to pick out all the diapers. You get to try some new stuff. Like I said, it might actually be more beneficial to someone with a smaller infant rather than a toddler. Also, it was super easy and hassle-free to cancel. Let me just stress this. It was so easy, and I love things that I can easily cancel. If you made it this far, I'll insert a really adorable clip of Rory unboxing the Hello Bello box for you, and so you can enjoy that. Good job! Good job! You're so strong! Cute, peaceful little ending to this. Let me know your opinions down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already and you feel so inclined, and we will see you in the next one.